Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Photoshop error. An integer between 96 and 8 is required. Closest value inserted. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. The Photoshop CC 2018 or 2019 error in preference, an integer between 96 and 8 is required, closest value inserted. Commonly appears on systems running Windows 10 with less than 2 GB RAM. This error message appears when you try to access the performance preferences after updating Windows 10. Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix this type of problem. Open Photoshop. Click on edit. Now click on preferences. Click on performance. Look, the error message is showing here. An integer between 96 and 8 is required. Closest value inserted. Okay, click on OK. Now close Photoshop. In search bar type regedit. Right click on Registry Editor. Open Registry Editor as administrator. Now Registry Editor has been opened. Expand S key local user. Expand software. Now expand Adobe. Now expand Photoshop. And now expand 110. Right click on empty area, click on new. Now click on DWORD 32-bit and set the name as shown in the video. Override physical memory MB. You should type the name as you find in the description. Now right click on it and click on modify. Now you must click on decimal. Now change the value to 4096. Click on OK. Now close the Registry Editor. Open Photoshop again. Click on OK. Now click on edit and click on performances and then click on preference. Look, now you can open preference easily, and also you can change the RAM size. I am changing the memory size here 96% usable and click on OK. Now you can easily open any image file in Photoshop. Yes, I am opening an image file. Look, now it is possible for me to open an image file in Photoshop. Now close the Photoshop. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.